Good morning. So this morning I'm gonna make my coffee, and I use a French press because they make delicious coffee. And you use any ground that you like, medium ground, so that it doesn't seep through the screen. So here I go. I use 2 tablespoons, and this is any ground coffee that you like. It could be decaf, it can be anything you want. You just medium ground it at the store if you could. So I got my 2 tablespoons in there, and I already had my water boiling. So I'm going to put my water in here. I add 2 tablespoons. And so I mix it up. You just keep stirring with your little wooden spoon. I got my spoon on Amazon. And these coffee pots, you can find them online. I'm pretty sure you can find one on Amazon. This one my aunt gave me, but I know it's not on from Amazon. And the spoon as well, the long wooden spoon. You don't want to use a metal spoon because you can break it because it's glass. And then also Starbucks sells the ones that are not glass, and they're really nice too. I have one of those too. So you stir it for a minute, and then I'm gonna say about 3 minutes, and then you this is the rest of the French press. And you see it has a little strainer there, and it has this little where you put your coffee, where you're pouring it through, I'm sorry. And so we're going to put it on there. And put my little strainer right there in the front. And then what I do is I wait a few minutes for it to settle. I don't know what's on there. There we go. And push it through. And we push slowly. And let me get my cup. I have my cup here, and I hold like this. And let me put it over here so you can see better. And you pour like this. None of the grounds comes through because the press has like a screen and then another screen, so no grounds come through. And there you have it. There you have it. Enjoy your coffee. I hope you like my little demonstration. Bye-bye. Have a great day.